My name is Nick Kettle with K Brothers Construction. I'm here in our home at 551 Lois Lane. The name of the home is Lois Luxury. This home is a 3-bedroom and an office with a 4-car garage. It's got a modern styling. We did a custom wall in the master bedroom with custom paintings, canvas paintings to match throughout the home. One of the things we really strive for is with the 4-car garage, we do a really nice floor coating just to make the garage very nice, and then we do high-end fixtures throughout. One of our favorite features in the home is a fandelier. It's a fan that is hidden in the master bedroom until you turn it on and then the blades pop out. And one thing we really enjoy is our 74-inch linear fireplace in the living room. Some of the unique things we did were some of the ceiling details. And then we also did square can lights throughout most of the house, which is a unique feature you won't see very often. My favorite part of this house is the linear chandelier in the dining room. The center island is all grays and blacks, and the backs is all the whites with the grays. We tried to really just accent the modern styling throughout. One thing that on almost all of our homes we try to do is accent the height throughout, and then lots of windows to give lots of natural light and give the open feeling. And then we do ceiling details to define where the rooms are, but still keep an open floor plan.